Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a pickaxe early in Gothic 1 Remake. A pickaxe is an item used for mining ore out in the open world. It can also be used to mine ore nuggets in the free mine later on in the game. What you'll want to do is head down through this valley and continue past this gate. A little farther ahead, you'll find this mine shaft. On the entrance of this mining shaft is a pickaxe laying on the ground. If you head toward the bridge and immediately turn left, you'll see this second mine shaft up above. Enter the mine shaft and head all the way to the end. There you can pick up the pickaxe hidden in the dark and leaning against the wall. Just hug the wall if you can't see it, or use a torch and you'll eventually see a pickup prompt for the pickaxe. This second pickaxe is easy to miss, but you'd want to get this one to sell it later on for extra ore nugget. Make sure that you also loot this chest for extra loot before you leave this mining valley. And that's how to get a pickaxe early in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.